Good morning, Bulldogs. I'm Alexa.
And I'm James. And we're your hosts for this final episode of VBTV of the 2019-2020 school year.
Please stand for the pledge.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thanks, Caroline. Now for announcements.
Summer work for English, math, and for some grades in history is now available on our website. Go to www.pbda.org, click on School Life, and click on Summer Work 2020.
Congratulations to all the academic award winners. Due to our trophy store being closed and delayed, the school will let you know when your awards are ready.
Yearbooks are delayed as well, and the school will send out a notice when these arrive on campus.
Normally, we'd be getting ready for an all-campus locker cleanout. Since your books are at home, that would be difficult. Don't throw out your textbooks or novels. If you want to donate them, simply hold on to them for now. We'll send out a message about a drop-off of any school supplies, textbooks, or novels you want to donate.
We have lots of Bulldog barks this week, so let's get started. Mr. Payne is pleased to announce that the Coral Project documentary is finally completed and will air on PBS in the fall of this year. Let's have a look at the trailer. Hit it.
Growing up in Palm Beach, I've always been in the ocean and at the beach. I've never really understood how much of a global problem this coral reef issue is until now.
If we get this right and all of the coral grows at the rate that we're expecting it to, we could rebuild the coral colonies with a little help from the Coral Restoration Foundation and save the world.
It's not that hard to make a small change to greatly benefit the coral ecosystem. And just like anything can help significantly, it just takes a little push to help save our world, I guess. Reverse everything that we've done.
This showed me I don't have to be a genius to be good at something. I don't have to know everything to make a difference in the world.
It was amazing. It was really amazing. It was something I wouldn't take back.
Thanks, Mr. Payne. That looks exciting. We'll have more information to come over the summer of the Coral Project premiering with the hopes that you will all attend.
Last week, Chloe on her own collected get well videos from friends and teachers for Haley, who had an unfortunate encounter with a lacrosse ball. Awesome, Chloe.
Now let's watch a video highlighting one of our 8th grade students, Nikolai, and his diligent effort to go green.
Hi, I'm Lauren Butcher, coordinator of the Green Schools Recognition Program at FAU Pine Jog Environmental Education Center. I have the distinct honor of presenting this year's award for Green Student of the Year. This $500 scholarship is awarded to a remarkable student who truly embodies what it means to be green and shares that passion with their school and community. We had some amazing young environmental stewards among this year's finalists, and we'd like to recognize them before announcing the winner. They are Asher Adams from the Hope Center for Autism, Nikolai Dutkovich from Palm Beach Day Academy, Anya Gupta from A.D. Henderson University School, FAU High School, Alani McDevitt from Citrus Cove Elementary School, Wesley Waugh from H.L. Johnson Elementary School, and Emily Whitman from Loggers Run Middle School. We are pleased to announce that the 2020 Green Student of the Year is Nikolai Dutkovich. An 8th grader at Palm Beach Day Academy, Nikolai Dutkovich is a stellar student and a true environmental steward. This year, after volunteering for the Henrietta Food Forest in West Palm Beach, he proposed starting a food forest on campus to provide fresh fruit for students at a local elementary school and work against food insecurity. He created his own action plan, formed a committee, and scheduled a meeting with his head of school to make this vision a reality. And it will be once students return to campus. Additionally, Nikolai conducted field studies at Munyon Island, volunteered with a new Lake Worth Lagoon restoration project, and presented on environmental issues at the Palm Beach Civic Association's first Environmental Forum. Everyone was so impressed with his work that Nikolai now acts as his school's representative with the association. An active member of his school's Green School Committee, Nikolai can be found before and after school, as well as during his lunches, tending their gardens or maintaining their aquaponics system. Nikolai has impressed all those around him with his sense of teamwork, community building, and humble leadership. Congratulations, Nikolai, our 2020 Green Student of the Year.
Congrats, Nikolai. Now Mrs. Close has a bulldog bark about the stock market competition.
It's that time of year to announce the winners of our annual stock market game. We had 45 students participate this year. We invested $100,000 per student, of course this is not real money, for a total of $4.5 million. And the whole group ended up with $6.2 million, which is a 37% gain. In fact, 76% of the students actually made money. Unfortunately, 24% of them did not. So I am here today to announce the winners in grade 9, grade 8, and grade 7, and also to give the overall winner. In grade 9, the winner is May. May ended up with $153,000, which means she made $53,000. In grade 8, Birdie ended up with $218,000, so he earned $118,000 on his initial investment. And our $grand prize winner is Mary in grade 7. She ended up with $82,000, $630.93. She will win the big prize, and all of the other students that won will also win a prize. And I'm looking forward to seeing you sometime when I can give you the prizes. Congratulations, everyone.
Great job, Bulldogs, and especially to Mary for winning the competition. Now I know who to hire as my financial advisor.
Now let's hear from James with next and last service above self winner this school year.
Hi, my name is James. I was the last recipient of the March Service Above Self, and I'm honored to present the next recipient. I'm a National Junior Honor Society member, and I spend my time tutoring younger students. I play travel soccer, and I volunteer by training and mentoring the younger soccer players. Last December, I participated in the 5th grade Day of Giving by playing the guitar while the 5th graders sang holiday songs to the younger children. As the opportunities arise at school and in my community, I look for the ways I can help and be of benefit to other people. In this day and age of the pandemic, I still feel the need to get out and help. I spoke to my parents about the ways I can help others in need. I gathered groceries together and delivered them to the Guatemalan Maya Center. I believe that any act of kindness, big or small, has a positive impact on the lives it touches. I am now going to announce our final service above self recipient. This student is a hardworking 8th grader who always puts forth her best effort. She's a quiet leader who is dependable and helpful to her teachers and peers. She is a member of the National Junior Honor Society and takes pride in her volunteer work. She attends every meeting. She helps sell donuts and Pop-Tarts. Also, she volunteers for all events that include helping our younger students. She is also someone NJHS can count on for tutoring. Recently, in order to help our local community, her and her mom started to make masks out of fabric strips. She has been distributing them to healthcare workers through Joanne Fabrics. This is just one example of how our final service above self recipient, Marin, thinks about others and is always willing to lend a helping hand. Congratulations, Marin, and thank you for all that you do for PBDA and for our community.
Now on to the poetry contest results, followed by a special announcement from Mrs. Thompson. On Thursday, May 21st, 5th graders competed in the final round of the poetry contest. Judges Palm Beach Mayor Gail Caniglio, Palm Beach Flagler Rotary member Mr. Lee Gordon, and former PBDA 5th grade teacher and development director Mrs. Cynthia Kanai selected 3rd, 2nd, 1st place winners from the 10 finalists.
3rd place was awarded to Nala, who recited Alone by Maya Angelou. 2nd place was awarded to Bodon, who recited If by Woodyard Kipling. And 1st place winner of the 5th grade poetry contest was awarded to Olivia, who recited Caged Bird by Maya Angelou.
Hi Bulldogs! I just wanted to say congratulations to all of our 5th graders for participating in this year's Zoom poetry contest. It was a very unique experience for everyone. I also wanted to send a big thank you to Mr. Tumman for all of the years he has put into making the poetry contest special for 5th graders. I have the honor of announcing that moving forward, the fifth grade poetry contest will be named in Mr. Tumman's honor. It will now be called the Richard Tumman 5th grade poetry contest. Thanks for everything, Mr. Tumman. We will miss you.
Our student spotlight this week features an 8th grader who spent time abroad in Switzerland this past semester. Let's see what he's been up to. Here's Johnny.
Winter Term is a 3-month program for 7th and 8th graders. You live in a Swiss chalet with 40 other kids. You have no technology, no internet. I mean, you have computers and a movie like every weekend. But yeah, that's all the internet you get. And it's fun. We had class in the morning, like normally 5 classes, same every single day. And then in the afternoon we went skiing. We took a bunch of field trips too, and my favorite was Bern, which was awesome. It's a really cool town.
Why did you choose to go this year?
Well, I learned about it recently before I left, and it was my last year to do it, and I love skiing, so I just wanted to, go. I didn't know about it until late last year, and I love skiing, but it was my last year to go, so I just wanted to go. Yeah. I learned I love to read. I learned I love some different kinds of food I never really tried, and I learned how to be away from home better. My favorite experience was this time, one of my last nights called Fockelfart. We went up on the mountain, we had spaghetti, we lit a torch and we skied down. It was awesome. Like snow was perfect because they just groomed it. So yeah, I love that.
And it was at night?
Mm-hmm, it was at night.
So 40 kids, everyone had a torch?
Everyone had a torch, yeah. Yeah, it was awesome.
That looks like it was an amazing experience. But the big question is, did you bring any Swiss chocolate for your classmates?
Now let's hear from another author that Miss Howard was able to connect with about an interesting book for summer reading.
Hi, Palm Beach Day School. I am so excited to be part of the Bulldog bookshelf this week. My name is Jen Calanita, and I am the author of this book right here, Disney's Twisted Tale series book, Conceal, Don't Feel. In this series, a bunch of authors take different Disney movies you know, and we spin the story into something entirely new. So in Aladdin, they did What If Aladdin Never Found the Lamp? In Sleeping Beauty, it was What If Sleeping Beauty Never Woke Up? And in Frozen, it's What If Anna and Elsa didn't know each other? Which I know, sounds crazy. How could they not know each other? They're sisters. But that was part of the fun of telling the story. I got to change it up. Anna lives somewhere entirely different. She's not in the castle. Elsa does not remember her. Anna does not remember Elsa. But these two sisters are drawn together, as we know from the movie. And I had so much fun telling the story from Elsa's point of view, Anna's point of view, Han's point of view, and Kristoff's point of view. Olaf doesn't get a chapter, but he does obviously play a big part in the story. I hope you'll consider picking this up as one of your reads this week. I hope you're reading a lot of fun new things. This is the perfect time to pick up a new book. Keep reading, keep writing, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks so much. Bye.
That looks like a great read.
Now let's hear from some of our Bulldogs as they rap away.
Hey, my name is Chloe. I'm a skateboarding queen and I'm chasing my dog named Holly. Yeah, I like that. Oh yeah, I like that.
Hey, yo, I'm David and I like to play golf. Oh yeah, I like that. Golf, golf. I hope you're gonna play golf with me today. Oh yeah, I like that. Golf, golf, golf.
Here is a story I like to tell about a girl named Paisley I know too well. It all started out in the infancy when just a baby girl. Before I could see, I like to dance, I like to perform. I'm very flexible beyond the norm. I like to compete if given the chance. I do ballet, tap, and modern dance. I have many talents as you can see, but the one I love most is DANCE.
Hey, I'm Sienna and I'd like to say I play the piano and read all day. I like that. Oh yeah, I like that.
Thanks, guys. Well, that's going to be a wrap for VBTV this year, and what a year it has been.
Don't forget to attend the commencement, virtually of course, next Friday, June 5th.
Have a great summer, Bulldogs.